So in this video, we are going to learn how to add the videos in the background of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Welcome to FinTech Wisdom, myself Abhishek. Let's start the video. So open your PowerPoint first, take the blank slide. I just cut it down the blocks, and here I am going to paste the content which I am going to present in the slides. Just a second. Okay. So this is the content that we are going to present. Now take the next slide, go to the insert tab, click on the videos, click on the stock videos. So you will see there are a lot of beautiful videos. So the video that I like a lot is this. So when you put the cursor over the video, you can also check the preview of the video. Click on the video and put the insert button. So the video will be added on the slide. Now just go to the text box, put a text box here, and just copy the content from the above slide and paste it. I'm going to change the color of this content so that you can see easily. Now drop it down. Okay, now in the slide, so you can see the very beautiful slide from the presentation. So we started this series for creating the Microsoft PowerPoint videos from basic level to advanced level. So this is the tip number 1. Thank you.